morning there, going to do a demonstration of Iron Age smithing. There's this very basic setup. Simple bellows, block anvil, few tools, charcoal, mate of mine pumping. We need lots of volunteers. This could be done anywhere, you see. This is typical of the Dark Age methodology.
The process of upsetting, which is making the thing fatter. They're just little leather flaps. Now we're drawing out a little point again here. You won't make too extreme point on it. When you're drawing out your 90 degrees. Now, back in the fire.
That's why Blacksmith.
Now, as I described earlier, this type of hammer has a little cross pane, right, or a straight pane. You don't need an elaborate anvil. This is all they had, little block anvils. You get the thing hot, and we'll put him over, we'll neck him over the edge here. Just neck him in a little bit. Then you can use that pane. That's where that cross piece comes in handy, you see. So we see how I've necked him in, you can see the neck quite well.
This was a small spear or javelin head we were making. I just say all knew it when I was pumping them bellows.
Just a second there, Sonny Jim.
We went through about 3 slaves.
Now I'm tapering out the other end a little bit, see. So I've necked it down, I'm necking it down in 2 directions. I might have gone a little bit far with the necking. My wife said I'm a good necker, so I suppose I have to go on with it. I've got a good line of patter. They're very, very used to it. They say it's patter familiar, you see. Oh, Jesus, go on with it. Yes, you can relax. While I'm banging, you can relax a little bit. When we start making the pattern welded blade, that's when you'll have to pump hard. Look, we'll get relays on. If you really hurt, mate, yell out and we'll get another substitute. Yeah,
I can see Rory there.
Okay, now we've necked it in at the back and at the front. Ah, lovely. He's a good worker, you know. I'll shout you a drink later on. I've got some nice water here I brought down from the Flatten him out a bit there.
It's purified it by filtering it through your kidneys or something.
That's right, yeah. That's why I want a bottle of mead poured over my grave, but you can all filter through your kidneys.